All right, welcome everybody. Here we are, still in San Jose. You'll remember the ATC meltdown yesterday on our flight into San Jose. So, what you will also note on this flight is the complete absence of air traffic control. I've canceled it. No ATC on this flight. I'm sorry, but I know when it works, it's great, but when it doesn't, it's a freaking mess. So anyway, we're flying from San Jose down to Cabo San Lucas today. Should be about 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 45 minutes. Look at that little forklift. Stay away from my plane. Um, and looking forward to a nice flight. Hopefully one a little less dramatic than yesterday's. Let's get it on the flight deck and get started. Wow, there goes a big old plane. Nice. Fix our camera. All right, let's go through this. Whoa, my bad. Let's go through our startup procedure. Okay, I got it. All right. Battery. EPU. Good. Okay. Sync our altimeter 3027. VS 3500. Altitude, we're flying at 45,000 feet today. We don't have to screw around with step increases because I'm not using ATC.
Okay.
Love that guy's voice. I'm not using ATC today. I wish I could. I want to, but you know what? It just ruins it. Looks like we're getting pushed back, so let's go ahead and release our parking brake. Get our recognition lights on. And anti-collisions, let's start the right engine now that APU's at 100%. Okay, right engine spooling up. Take care of our PFT screen, nav source FMS1, or FMS rather. Bearing at nav1, no, we'll save that for later if necessary. GPS on bearing 1, speed bucks set 195 on VY. All on. Back up. I don't know what our minimums are. We'll figure that out on route. PFD settings option 2 on wind. Okay. Pushback's underway. 1 notch of flaps. Turn on our pitot heat. Good. Let you see where we're flying today. Taking off out of, well, which runway do they want us to take off from? Let's see what they're saying. I mean, I'm not listening, but let's see what they're saying. Runway 12 right. Okay. Okay. To the south, huh? If you say so. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me, given what I'm showing as the weather in San Jose, but I don't know, maybe San Jose's haunted. It's been kind of screwed up. Right engine is now good. We'll do our left engine. Left engine spooling up. Get the taxi lights on. Okay. Hear that left engine spooling up nicely. Flight directors on both windows. Or screens, I should say. VS. Switch our speed over to manual and set 195. Okay. I think that's about it. Okay. Irritates me that we're taking off to the southeast. I don't believe we should be. Okay. Anyway, it is what it is, right? Get our timer ready to go. Okay, left engine also now fully spooled or started. Kill the APU. APU gen. All right. Arrows, where are our arrows? Okay, left. Let's go. get up in the air. Let's get out of California and head to Cabo San Lucas. That'll be nice, right? Weather in Cabo's nice, 73 degrees. Partly cloudy, but looks like a nice day. Cloudy and I think it's 58 degrees here in San Jose. Showing no wind data. Interesting. Okay. This is weird. It's telling us that we're headed to 12 right, which is, the only reason I say that's weird is because normally it's been getting that little tidbit wrong. But here it appears to be getting it right. We are headed to 12 right. That's very interesting. Man, this game just... winds do appear to be calm. Socks limp. Well, let's see what happens. It's a part 1, part 2 video. Don't worry. You won't have to sit with me for the next 2.5 hours. Not that anybody's watching. Check our control surfaces. Looks good. Make sure our spoilers are working. They are. Anyway, you see this 12 right? We are headed to 12 right. The reason I mention it is just that this has always been consistently wrong. It's always shown the opposite runway heading on that little doodad. So I'm curious as to why now it's not getting it wrong. Oh fuck. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, sorry. Apologize. Alright. Alright. We're doing 18 knots right now. Safe. Sorry about all the schmutz on the window. See where we are. Headed down this way. Turn right, get out on 12 right. 12 right. 12 right here. This white line. Okay, we'll be there in a jiffy. I was mentioning to someone the other day, we were talking about flight sim, and it really is the perfect game to have come out in the middle of a global pandemic, isn't it? Can't fly anywhere except virtually. That's nice. I guess you can, but it's not nearly the fun it used to be. All right, here we are. See us here? It's so nice to not have to fuck around with ATC anymore. Okay, we'll stop on the bars.
Approaching runway 12 right.
Presumably we've just gotten our clearance. Clear for takeoff. We did. Nobody's coming. Taxi light off. Landing lights on. Pulse light on. Okay. Let's get in the sky. What do you say, friends?
Entered runway 12 right. 10,500 feet remaining.
I'll take the long runway. Works for me. There we go. Almost there. Tap those little toe brakes a little sooner than I wanted to. Okay. All right. Good. Start our timer. Let's make sure it's actually going. Yes, it is. You guys ready? Still no wind. Wind's calm. Let's go. Sink our heading bug, don't forget. And we're rolling. Airspeed's alive. $80 knots. 120. 140. 150 and rotate. Positive rate, gear up. Autopilot's engaged. Auto throttle. Fly right over downtown. I don't know, I thought I put in VS of 3500. Alright, I was just testing them. Fuck. Activate nav. Flaps retracted. Let's look at that through the window. Flaps retracted. Nice takeoff view, right? Downtown, San Jose. Okay. Oh, it's so nice not having to deal with ATC. Their bullshit. Constantly screwing things up. AOA's a little high. Slight wind now out of the south. 9 knots. See what's going on here. Why do I not see us on our track? Oh, we are. We're good. Okay. All right. Well, other than an error, I don't know if you noticed it. We took off, and I engaged the autopilot, and we didn't lose altitude. We just didn't have any climb, and the reason for that was because I thought, I'll have to watch the video later, I thought that I inputted a vertical speed instruction of 3,500 feet per minute. Maybe I forgot. I don't know. I thought I did it. Anyway, it was set at 0, so the plane thought we just wanted to stay straight and level. Anyway, we corrected it, and now we're climbing nicely, 7,500 feet. Start increasing our speed, but we'll switch over to FLC before we do. Don't notice dramatic changes in engine power when you use the FLC, I've noticed. Beautiful. Very, very realistic. I've landed at San Jose and taken off from San Jose so many times I've lost track, but it's very realistic in terms of the terrain and the scenery. Of course, this game's wildly faithful to that, so I'm not at all surprised. All right, buddy, as they say. I think that was what Nixon called his wife, Pat. Buddy. Always calling her buddy. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thanks for joining us for this Part 1 takeoff on our way south to Cabo San Lucas. Looking forward to getting down there. Going to be landing at the RNAV, runway 34. Landed there before in the TBM. It'll be nice to be back. And yeah, I hope everybody has a splendid day. I am still struggling to figure out how to turn off